أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوف بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون.
Alright guys, this is on target. I have drawn the levels here on this one, so it's right now it's on target. If we say it's deeper pullback, we can hope some sort of reversal on 5-minute chart. This is 5-minute chart, so more likely it will bounce off EMA on 5-minute chart, and plus it's just after market open. That means we can see some bounce either on this level or that level, one or the other. I am not trading, guys. I am not trading. I'm just looking at the market because this week I have a serviced accommodation course going on and I am just sorting out the presentation. Okay, anybody with us there? No one? I will be going offline and then coming on again. Exit, go live again, go live. So it's looking really good. Anybody who wants to take trade on this one, this is the area to take trade, and RSI is nearly 36, nearly oversold. Let's see if it comes back to this level around $26, then that means RSI would be oversold, and that's where the trade will be. I can see lots of large number of orders around here. If you can see, $26 range, some big orders coming through. So I would wait for it to get to $26, and if I were trading, I would have traded it at that price, around $26. But I am not trading today. As I said, my concentration is on my presentation at the moment I'm making. So guys, if this is first time you're joining us, please do consider subscribing and also sharing it with your friends, whoever it is. Hi Joel, how are you? On YouTube we have only 5 people watching us. TikTok, yes, it's building up. I'm sure we will have about 30-40 people joining us in a little while. Please do consider sharing it if you are into stocks or serviced accommodation. Today I'm just trying to share with my YouTube viewers what it is I'm watching today. It's BBBY. It's triple BY. BBBY is the stock today to trade if somebody wants to trade. I am not trading today because I am concentrating on my I'm preparing presentation. If you can see on this screen right here, I'm preparing because this week I'm running serviced accommodation course. Yesterday was first day on serviced accommodation course, and I'm just preparing today's slides. I'm just preparing them as I'm delivering the course. Yeah. So if anybody wants to trade, BBBY is the stock. Let me see if something else has popped up. IMPP is also a good pick today if somebody wants to trade that. HUSA, I already mentioned it earlier. JJN is also looking good. This has just popped up. MARPS is also looking good. So guys, please, if this is first time you are sorry, this is my plant, beautiful plant. If this is first time you're joining me, please do consider a share or even a follow if you want to stay connected with stock market, property market, and what's going on with these markets. So please do consider a quick share. I'm not sure if I am on the right channel because I have 2 channels on TikTok. I have one Urdu and the other one is English. I think I am on Urdu, which is not the correct channel. I should be going live today. So guys, if you only understand English and Urdu is not your first language, or you don't even understand Urdu or Hindi, then please do consider checking my English channel, which is Trading 402. The simple Trading 402 is one word. Do consider subscribing and following that channel. That is only for those who only understand English, and that is only for English somebody who does not understand Urdu or Hindi. This channel I shouldn't be talking in English, but yes, as I'm talking to my YouTube followers as well, that's the reason I am talking in English. Otherwise I would have only spoken in Hindi or Urdu. I do apologize for all those who only joined me because they only understand Urdu, they don't understand English. This is not the English channel, guys. Please don't follow this channel, because this will don't follow. I'm not saying don't follow. Only follow this if you understand Urdu. If you don't understand Urdu, then do not follow this channel. Follow the English channel, which is Trading 402. So guys, BBBY is the stock top gainer on Nasdaq, and HUSA is top gainer on NYSE. Those are the stocks I will be watching. I am not trading today, it's just I'm watching to Joel. Thank you very much, Joel. Joel is on with us on YouTube. Thank you very much, Joel. Okay, so guys, as you can see, there are BBBY is the stock. I have drawn the levels, and I'm sure people who are watching this stock has also, this was a good bounce for $1 or two. IMPP also, what's going on here? IMPP has halted, guys. IMPP has halted on this big drop. I'm pretty sure there would be 50-60 cent retracement on this one, sorry, a bounce on this one. In my opinion, it can simply bounce to around this level, so you can see about 30-40 cents on this trade, easy trade. But as the stock has halted, I will not touch it unless it comes back to this level, which is around $4.30, $4.33. Otherwise I wouldn't touch this stock. Looks like this was just a lower high. If I just draw this line, you would see that, you know, it would be pushed down around this level very easily. So make sure that, you know, you're trading, you know your levels. I would only enter, if you didn't enter here, I would only enter if it breaks this, and maybe it would face some sort of resistance around $30 range. So it should be a quick trade, get in, get out, make your money and run. That is how it should be. Do not get your money stuck in today's, or even, you know, past few weeks, whatever the market condition is. It's really difficult to keep your money in market and expose yourself too much. I wouldn't do that. This trade was perfect trade on RSI based. RSI was oversold, and the entry based on RSI would have been around maybe $27 RSI, and this was $1.50 trade, very easy trade based on RSI. This was a retest candle, so if I were to enter, I would have entered just on this candle around $27 range. So this was $27 bounce, broken out $27 based on RSI, oversold, came back to $27 to retest this level. Let me zoom it, guys. So it came back to $27 range to retest it. Again, it's coming back to $27 just to retest the same level. Maybe it's going to consolidate. I'm not too sure what it's going to do. Nobody knows. So we will just make decision based on what it is. Right now RSI is 30, which is nearly oversold. Guys, this is not the channel you would subscribe or follow on TikTok if you only understand English. Follow this if you understand English and Urdu, Hindi. If you don't understand Urdu, then you will not find much of a content which will interest you on this channel. Just go on my English channel, which is Trading 402. I shouldn't be live on this channel anyway, but I just went live. I thought Okay, I didn't even realize this was Urdu channel. Okay, guys, so it has come back to again the same level. Okay, and it might just consolidate for a bit. It might go back to $28.50 range, 28.50, and then take a direction. But it has to break out this level here, this red trend line, for it to be considered a change of trend. Otherwise, at the moment, you can just simply say that it's making lower lows and lower highs. There is nothing more than that in this trade, guys. So make sure you just, AMD is my favorite stock, and don't worry about AMD, guys. AMD is very good stock. I wouldn't take position at this stage. Maybe I would let it go to $100 range, and only then I would take a long position. But if you're just trading, understand AMD chart every single day can give you $10 if you know the stock very well. So I say always that build a relationship with a stock. You need to understand the stock chart movement for you to make money from it. And AMD is perfect stock if you want to take out maybe $10 to $15 every day from this market. AMD is perfect day trading stock, guys. Safe and sound. Know the levels, enter on correct levels, exit on correct levels. Maybe $1 to $2 trade, 5 to 10 trades a day on AMD would give you easily $10 to $15. Even if you just trade with 100 shares or maybe 50 shares, I don't know your appetite. I trade with 500 shares AMD every day. I take probably $5 to $10 out of it, and that's it. I walk away from market. And just consistency is everything in market. If you're not consistent, you make one day $1,000 or $2,000 and next day you lose $1,200. There is no point at all. So make consistent, even if you make less, but make consistent, compound it, and then you're good to go. Otherwise, some people hit a jackpot one day and next day they lose everything. There is no point. Honestly, there is no point. You need to learn how to be consistent in this market. Like right now, it's selling off. Okay, and on 2-minute chart, I can clearly see that it's nearly oversold. AMD we are talking about, guys. AMD we are talking about. Okay, and clearly I can see that it's oversold, and it's gonna bounce for at least $1. At least $1 is gonna bounce from here. Right now it's 106.70, 106.63. I can see it 107. 107.50. So $1 you can easily make from this one. Let it be oversold. Maybe if it comes back to around, understand how to flip your trades, guys. If one trade is not working in your favor, it's not going in your favor. Let's say you entered long, it started going against you. Just flip the trade straight away. Just go from long to short. Okay, and you will be recovering and making money quicker than you can even imagine. Trust me. Okay, so if long hasn't worked, just flip the trade into shorts, especially on AMD. It will work absolutely good. Trust me. Okay, but again, you must know your levels. You must know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, then don't bother. You will lose money. 90% people lose money in this market before they turn into profitable traders, and that takes around maybe 2 years to 3 years before they actually start making money, because people just do it without even learning, and they lose their hard-earned cash. That is fact. That is a fact. But once you know how to trade, it becomes easy. It becomes fun. And plus, you don't have to trade every day. I mean, if you have good day, 2 days in a week, enjoy your life. Okay, let's say if my target was $1,000 and I end up making maybe $3,000, I wouldn't trade for next 3 days or 2 days. I don't need to. Why go through stress? There is no such thing as get rich quick scheme, guys. People who treat this market as casino, they better go to casino. They might have better chance in casino than in stock market, because stock market will take your money like that. It will be a magic. It will just literally vanish, and you would be sitting there, your mouth open, your eyes open, thinking, what did just happen? Trust me, it will happen. Okay, if you don't understand this market, you better just hit casino. Trust me, you might get lucky there. Alright guys, as I said, 107.25, literally $1 trade, there it is for you guys. Okay, $1 trade, it just happened. Okay, 106.25 to 107.25, $1 trade, in, out, go, enjoy your life. Alright, know your levels on AMD, Nvidia, Tesla. These stocks, they will give you money all day long, guys. Okay, you don't have to just sit around, watch the chart all day. You can just get in, get out, make your money, enjoy your life. Okay, if you have nothing else to do. I mean, for me, people like me, we are driven people. Yeah, we are workaholic, you can say. Yeah, we can never stop working. But that comes with the reward. Okay, if you're sitting in front of a chart or a computer and you are not producing, or your income doesn't justify sitting in front of your laptop, then don't do it. Like, for example, I would say a takeaway worker, he spends 12 hours, he works 12 hours to 14 hours shift. Yeah, and end of the shift he's making like maybe what, 100 pound or 120 pound, no more than 120 pounds, right? But if I sit in front of laptop for 12 hours, I would be coming out nice and healthy, maybe what, 3,000, 4,000 pounds, maybe more than that. Some days I make much more than that. So the point is, the time you put in must justify what you get out of it. So know the worth of your hour. If you know the worth of your hour and you are consistently increasing that worth, then no matter whether you work 10 hours or 20 hours, you know that if you put in 20 hours and your hour is worth maybe 200 pounds or $200, you will be getting out $4,000 or 4,000 pounds, and that is how it works. What you trading? I'm not trading anything, but I'm looking at AMD BBBY. Today's gainer is BBBY, 3 B's and then Y. Alright guys, BBY right now is oversold. As I mentioned, it hasn't broken the trend, so you should know the ABCD pattern in downtrend and uptrend for you to be able to make profit from this stock. Okay, because you can technically enter in a very wrong price and stock can just simply make a lower low and you will be sitting there holding a bag. You shouldn't do that. Okay, anyone who wishes to join the course, we run course every month, live course every month. You can just simply hit go to trading402.com website, trading402.com website. You can also check my Trustpilot reviews. Just go on Trustpilot, search trading402, and you would know what I'm on about and my training, how can it help. Yeah, anybody who wants to learn day trading or even property strategies, right now I am training 10 people on serviced accommodation. Okay, because my main source of income is property. Okay, property development and serviced accommodation. So I have multiple courses running. If you want to join or want to learn either serviced accommodation or property development or even stock market, stock trading, crypto, forex, just head to website trading402.com, trading402.com. Next stock trading course is on 21st of March. 21st of March is next course, guys. All right, you see, so it was oversold, literally has given you $1 trade, guys, there. So on oversold basis, it retested, it tested 25.33 twice, and then it bounced to 26.15. Okay, which is a very nice and healthy trade. Don't just sit in front of computer and wait for some sort of lottery to hit. You need to get in, get out. If you make $1 from each trade, 10 trades, safe and sound trades, that's going to give you $1,000 profit if you only trade with 100 shares, guys. 100 shares. And trading, for example, BBBY, 100 shares, you only need $2,600. $2,600. But most people, they get in a trade and they just staring at chart, waiting for hours and hours and hours to make, I don't know what, a killing, make they want to hit a jackpot. It doesn't work like that. Maybe you can be involved in one of those stocks once in blue moon, but don't rely on that. If you rely on that, you will be killed. Trust me. I mean, in stocks, not literally. Okay. All right, guys. Yes, learner guy. Just go and visit my website trading402.com, trading402.com, and just click courses, and you would see the details of the courses there. I am literally working on my presentation right now because I'm delivering it as it comes, because this time I just wanted to do it, the presentation especially, I wanted to do it properly. So this is serviced accommodation training course. Yesterday was first day, and today is second day. I thought I could deliver it in just literally one day, but nah, it's too much to cover. Honestly, it's too much to cover. So this is going to be end up for 3 days, not 1 day course, but 3 day course. I'm gonna change everything on website soon. But yeah, if you want a consistent cash flow, passive cash flow through property, then serviced accommodation is the way. Serviced accommodation will give you that cash flow you need to produce some really good income. One deal can potentially make you £1,500 a month passively, 100% passive income. Sorry, my bad, not 100% passive income, but maybe 95% passive. You need to still put in some hours. Right, guys, bought today. I haven't even checked. We were supposed to launch the risk management today. Code is complete. It's just we are testing it locally first before we actually deploy it to the server. But let me quickly check what it's doing actually. I'm sure it would be negative today because there is no risk management in place right now, which would have been in place today, but why? Surprisingly, it's up 2.14%. 2.14%. That is a surprise, but yes, it's good. And the current trades, some of them are big losers right now. If I show you guys, some big losers. I'm not sure why. Maybe they are swing trades, but whatever it is, I'm gonna just figure out, check what's going on there, because this it should not lose this much on a single trade. UPST, it has taken short trade. XPEV, it has taken short trade. Also previous, it has taken Python short trade. On a short trade, it's making $600. On PLTR, it has taken short trade and it's losing $1,000. Nvidia, it has taken short trade and it's making $670. So yes, longs are all negative and shorts are making money, which is good. Amazon, it has taken short trade 6 shares and it's up 1.71%, which is good, which is good. So yes, I'm very hopeful that once the risk management is in place, we'll be making some really good money. XPV, it has taken short trade and it's up 2.07%, which is amazing. So short trades today are making some good money, but longs, most of the longs except actually all longs are negative, and one short is negative, which is PLTR. It's losing $896 losing. Otherwise all shorts are profitable today, which is good, which is really good. So guys, this is serviced accommodation course. Okay, it's going to be second day today, and I was hoping to finish it in one day, but it's proving to be very long course. Content is too much to cover in serviced accommodation, and plus I just don't want to run through it or sweep through it. I want to deliver it properly so that people who are taking this course, they must understand everything about this business, and this could be a very profitable business. If one does it properly, it can be very profitable business, guys. All right, guys, listen, I got to go offline. I might come live again very soon. Wow, I didn't know that it's live there. All right. Okay. So guys, understand the levels. Again, that trade is looking really good. It has made you $1. It's gonna make low now, and then again make lower high, which is going to make you $1. $1 is all you need from these especially large caps and mega caps, especially AMD, Nvidia. $1 per trade, $1 per trade. AMD, it will cost you around 10,000, something like $10,000 to trade AMD. But if you are able to take $1, and you can take on AMD, it's a proven fact that on AMD you can take like $1 trades. You can take probably, I don't know, in a day 10-20 trades a day. Okay, very easily 10-20 trades very easily you can take. Yeah, if you came early morning, you could have taken like 1-2 based on EMA. Okay, based on EMA. Yeah, based on EMA. Yeah, based on support or EMA. Yeah, previous resistance, now support. Okay, so maybe 1 2 here, sorry, 3, and then short trade here on based on oversold overbought RSI. Okay, 2 trades. So literally you could have made what, then again oversold territory. Okay, oversold territory, not here but on a longer chart, 5-minute chart. So you could have literally made 1 2 3 4 short trade, 5 6 $7 by now. You would have already made from AMD. If you just traded 100 shares, that's $700 profit, safe and sound, guys. All right, guys, take care. I have to go offline, and we'll come back live again soon. Take care. Bye, guys. This screen is on. You can just simply keep watching the screen if you want. These are usually I watch these stocks. They are my most favorite stocks. Okay, so you can just keep watching this screen if you want. I'm gonna switch off the sound so that you don't hear funny noise on background. Guys, if you were live about half an hour ago, about 45 minutes ago, when IMPP was halted on this candle here, and just rewind back around this time 940, just rewind this video back and see what I said, which level it will come to before taking a new high. I didn't check it because I went to collect my daughter, but look at this, guys. It came to exact that level, okay, 439, and then shot up to $8, guys. Literally, this was a very good trade here. Literally $8. If you check the high of this, $8 to be precise. Okay, so knowing your level and where to enter is very important. Now there would be another trade around here on this yellow line. It will bounce off this yellow line for probably 50 cents to $1. 50 cents to $1, which is 550, I would say, maybe 550, around 550 region. High of this candle is around 546. Low of this candle is around 542. So 545 to 550 range is gonna bounce off for around 50 cents, guys, and that would be the trade. And if you look at the 5-minute chart right here, 5-minute chart is very clear. If it comes on this level, $5 range, that would be absolutely good trade for this one. $5.16, $5.20 range, that would be really good trade again on this one. As you can see, it's literally fighting at that level. If you see, low of this candle was 556. Of course, this stock might have like offset of 5 cents, 5 to 10 cents, which is reasonable. But again, I mean, it could simply bounce off this level for 50 cents, and it has already gone 20 cents, 30 cents, which is really good trade if somebody wants to trade this stock. I mean, it's not always about taking $1 or $2 or $4 from a stock, but collecting 20, 30 cents, 50 cents here and there, safe and sound trades. And if you do like 10 trades like that, and you are trading, let's say 10 trades, 20 cents each trade, that's $2 profit, guys. And if you're trading only with 1,000 shares, that's $2,000 profit. Okay, look at this. It's already 30 cents, 34 cents, okay, 35, 36 cents already. Okay, so the bounce would be $6. See, $6 already. So knowing your level is very, very important, guys. I hope you understand how this thing is working. Of course, in my course I teach everything in detail, but yes, I'm sure this is helping you guys.